Welcome to English Classroom. Improving your English by paper reading. UK Foreign Secretary welcomes Sunak shine to India ties. On his first visit to India since he was reappointed Foreign Secretary by the Rishi Sunak government, James cleverly welcomed the excitement in India over Sunak taking over as Prime Minister, saying the UK government wants to make sure the partnership with India is forward, leaning and energetic, stressing that the UK's Indo Pacific tilt long predates Sunak's emergence as PM, cleverly said the two countries are working for a free trade agreement FTA that works for both sides and that the UK wants to make it quicker and easier for Indian entrepreneurs to do business in the UK, reports Sachin Parashar. Asked about India's position on Ukraine, cleverly expressed satisfaction that PM Modi had made obvious his support for the UN Charter and also international law and territorial integrity. Cleverly, who discussed the Ukraine situation and Indo Pacific in a meeting with his counterpart S. Jaishankar, said the UK is looking to intensify cooperation with India in the Indo Pacific, specifically in security and defense. So, friends, thank you for watching the video. If you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe the channel. Meet you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, thanks.